Whiteboard application is your digital tool for brainstorming, collaboration, and instruction. This tutorial video will teach you how to insert multimedia such as notes and tools. Insert notes. Tap the Notes icon to add sticky notes. Change the note's color to categorize or emphasize information. Insert tools. Insert triangles, straight edge, or protractors to assist with your class. Use straight edge for drawing straight lines. Insert partition. Tap the partition icon to add collaboration zones. The whiteboard can be divided into up to 4 parts for multi-user collaboration. Tap Quit icon to exit partition mode. Choose whether to keep the content on the current page. Insert web search. Tap Web Search icon to search the content you need from the Internet. Capture the content you need and insert it into the whiteboard.